That's good. Okay. Hi, everyone. Um Welcome to yet another live project session by High Counselor. Today, with me is Akshay, and Akshay is the mentor of this project, which we are doing today, guys. So, Anaditya will be joining us very soon. So, guys, if you can hear us loud and clear, kindly let us know in the comment section that you can hear us loud and clear. In the meanwhile, I'll also check it on YouTube. Hi, Shreya, how are you? So Shreya, can you just confirm that you can hear me loud and clear? And let me check on YouTube as well whether we are live or not. Yeah. So we are live on YouTube. There is no problem at all. Okay. So Akshay, where are you located right now?
Now I'm in Los Angeles. I just came here for a business
Okay.
trip.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay.
I'm based in New York.
Okay. So Bert says yes, you can hear me. Yes, Ketha says you can hear me, hearing you loud and clear. Thank you, Achay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, guys, for confirming that you can hear us loud and clear. Uh, and also, if you guys let us know that from which location you are dialing in today, and how is weather over there? Uh, is it like hot, cold? From which? Because just to let you know, Akshay, that we have almost have participants from 14, 15 different countries in these live sessions. So we can. So if people can also let us know from which location you are dialing in today, that would be a great point to start with. Akshay has already told you that he's joining in from Los Angeles. I'm joining in from Toronto right now. So if you can also let me know. Okay, so people joining from Pakistan, people joining from Manchester. Okay, 40 degree in Pakistan, I guess. Yes, Asian countries, I guess. Right now the temperature is really hot, 47, 48. Even in India right now. The same kind of weather, I guess. People joining in from Carolina, North Carolina, from Denver, Florida. Sharif says it's very hot. People joining from Tampa. Okay, from India. And my next question would be to all the people who are here, just to let us know that whether the right audience is with us or not. If you can let us know in the comment section what role you are targeting. Are you targeting the role of a data analyst or data scientist or business analyst? What role exactly you are targeting, so that we can know that whether you are fit for this whether you are here for the right audience is here or not. I can see people from quite a few people joining in from India, quite a few people joining in from US as well. People joining in from so Kelvin says from Riverside in California. Pawan says data engineer and analyst. And one question I would like to ask from Akshay. So Akshay, if somebody is like, is data analyst or scientist these two? Because I see a lot of people getting confused whether they should target the role of data analyst or they should target the role of data scientist. Is these two roles can be targeted simultaneously, or is it that a good approach, or we should be like looking at them separately?
Yeah. So I mean, Amit, I generally say people to only go on a single stream if you are confused between a data analyst or a data scientist. But if you wanted to target like multiple roles, I would say like the business intelligence, data analyst, and data engineering. These streams go hand in hand.
Okay.
Yeah, but there are some data analyst applications that are also applied as at your roles in data scientist as well, like
Mhm.
storing the data and stuff. So that totally depends on what kind of role and what kind of job duties you are in, like you're targeting to.
Okay. So I guess this was one of the confusion which I have guess every time in the comment section I used to get. So Akshay has clarified it very simply that data analyst and data engineer, business intelligence, they can go hand in hand. but data scientist people should have a different track. Do not try to target. I guess ML engineer and data scientist could be a little bit more similar, or they
Yeah,
are also different.
yeah, yeah. ML engineer and data scientist can go on the same track.
Okay, so I can see a lot of people from data scientist and from the data analyst role. Okay, so if you are here for that role, I guess that is perfect, because we are going to do a project in the role of data only, in the domain of data also. And if you can let me know also this, that are you coming here for the first time, like on this High Counselor Live project platform, or you are coming in for, you are a repeat user of our platform? If you can let us know in the comment section, or if you can just uh, are you first times or a repeat user, and if you can also share it on your on LinkedIn or in YouTube, if you can share this event, because all these events are completely free. So it can be very very useful for. Okay, so Pawan says he's here for the first time. First time. I guess quite a few people are doing it for the first time on the platform. Okay, so all those people who are for the first time, I'll just like to let you know that our project platform has 100 plus projects in software and data domain, and all those projects are completely free. You do not have to pay anything. It's a sandbox platform, so you can like write your code, run your code. So you should definitely try it out. It can really help you in boosting your resume, work hands on experience, and most importantly, it will also help you in getting employability now, because now on our platform a lot of companies are hiring also from our platform. So that can be very very useful. So if you are for the first time, those who are already a repeat user, they keep on tracking our platform, but those who are for the first time, they can definitely check out our platform. Okay, so we can just let me show my slide deck. Okay, so let me just share my screen. Okay, actually, can you see my screen now? Okay, so we are doing this project which is called as just 1 second. Wait. Okay. Yeah. So we are doing today this project called DVD rental database exploration, transactional data, and so we have Akshay with us, and I would like Akshay to, if he can give us a brief introduction about his journey. So we made just a small slide for him, and if he can give us his complete, and he's a data engineer at TikTok. So all over to you, Akshay.
Yeah, thanks. Hey guys, I'm Akshay. I am originated from India. So earlier, after my undergrad, I started off my professional journey as hey, hi Aditya.
Hey Akshay, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So I started my professional journey with Accenture. So there, I started off as a data analyst and an engineer too. So my role, my job duties were like a mixed kind of thing as a data analyst and sometimes data engineering. I work with different clients. Sometimes some clients with consulting and some clients with different other industries as well. And later on, I came to UConn for my masters in business analytics and project management, but I also have like a specialization in data science with UConn. So later on, I landed my job as a data engineer. I'm working with the data engineer team in TikTok, and even here I came across like multiple stakeholders. So like I'm working with the site reliability engineers. I'm working with some stakeholders in China, and some pretty good data analysts working on some cool new projects over here at TikTok. So so that's it. I mean, like, I have this kind of multiple collaboration with different teams at TikTok here. Hmm.
Okay, so just one question from my side, Akshay. How many times you get this like question that how to get viral on TikTok?
I literally have people reach out to me, like, if I can promote their accounts over TikTok as well. I always have to say I'm not directly impacting it. I'm in one of their teams.
No, no, I can completely understand, and that's why I also asked that while working in TikTok, most a lot of people will only come to you by saying that, hey, how make my video viral.
Exactly.
And how are you?
Good, good. And actually, one more question. So, like, job search is like really, really tough, right? Especially in these days, and especially for like entry level people. How's your job search journey look like? Did you apply online? Was referral key for you? What was your journey?
Yeah. So I mean, I kind of maintained a schedule, Aditya, for a whole week. So what I did was I just listed out the companies first in my in some specific target industries based on my previous experience, like my previous clients that I worked with, and then also my industries of my interest. And then I listed out the companies, and then actually I also followed some news on those companies, like, what exactly are they developing, or what new projects are they bringing. And based on that, I used to search for a specific role in that particular sector. So, like, if an organization is building up with some new projects or new initiatives in a particular sector, then that is where they will be recruiting a lot. So that's something I saw a light to shine over there by applying on in those particular areas. And then that's how I used to maintain. So, I mean, this also involves like a little kind of research that you have to do. So I almost used to spend like 1.5 day every week, and then get ready for the next week of the set of applications that I have to do, and then apply to it accordingly.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now that sounds like a great journey. Amit, would you like to go ahead with your introduction?
Yeah. So, hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit Lal. I am the head of business operations at High Counselor. I did my bachelor's into computer science. I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research. I'm an alumni of Research Summer School at IMA. I worked with different companies like Wipro, Reliance, and ICICI Bank. I've given my more than 10 years to teaching to undergraduate and postgraduate students. I have a YouTube channel with my same name with a 100K following. Over to you, Adit.
Okay. So regarding my background, did my BTech from NIT Jalandhar, same where Dr. Amit completed his PhD. After that, worked at Ericsson for a while, almost 2 years in India, and then came to US for my master's degree at Duke University. It's in Durham, North Carolina. After completing my master's, started my career at PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers as a tech consultant in Chicago. It's a great start, but Chicago is super cold in winters, so decided to move to San Francisco with Deloitte Consulting, and worked with Deloitte for about 3.5 years in their cloud implementation division. And during my time at Deloitte, I also had a chance to work on with the recruitment team. Visited a lot of universities, hired a lot of entry level grads, interviewed people on for software engineering, data science, and Salesforce roles. And that's when this interest started in job search, career counseling, mentorship space. So 2020, I decided to leave my job from Deloitte and start High Counselor with my co-founder Rani Harun. And yeah, it's been a great journey so far. So our journey started with just three candidates. Our objective was pretty simple: let's help people find a job, especially like entry level grads or mid career professionals. And until now, we have helped more than 600 people find a job. And in this journey, we have also raised $2 million from VCs in Silicon Valley. Companies like Wipro, Deloitte, State Farm Insurance have invested, and a few edtech entrepreneurs. So let me take you through a journey of High Counselor, like why we started it, right, and what's the problem that we were solving. So basically, when I was part of Deloitte recruitment team, I found that a lot of people struggle to land a job because of three major reasons. First one is people lack hands-on work experience. Uh, people complete get degrees, they earn online certificate, but when it comes to like solving real problem, having that hands-on experience, people struggle. And that's why they also lack interview opportunities. Most of the people just rely upon online application. As Akshay just mentioned, there can be different ways, right? Networking is one of them. And third is, even when people land interview calls, they're unable to crack it because of not having real skills and knowledge. So we thought, okay, we can solve these problems by launching High Counselor. And our objective was never to launch a staffing company or a consultancy. Our objective was to create a 360-degree ecosystem, an ecosystem in which we help people with everything related to job search, be it interview preparation, like upskilling on a particular skill, connecting with mentors, or giving them work experience through internships or projects, or fixing their LinkedIn or resume. And once they're ready for interview calls, we also help them land interview calls by matching them to the right jobs, uh, applying jobs on their behalf by implementing our team over there, and helping them get referrals through email networking. So, like end-to-end solution for them. Uh, and yeah, that's where we started. And right now, we are supporting only two job roles because a lot of people reach out to us asking for, hey, I'm from electrical engineering or mechanical engineering background, but we only focus on two roles, which is software engineering, like any front end, back end, full stack role, and any data science related role, be it data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. We should be able to help you out. Our pricing model is success based payment. That means you have to apply to High Counselor. We will take your interview. If we admit you at High Counselor, we'll help you with everything until you find a job. You actually start on your job, and then only you start paying. So it's $0 upfront, and you pay only once you land a job in monthly installments. There are two packages that we have. One is a $10,000 starter package, $15,000, which is an advanced package. The difference between the two is basically in the advanced one, we provide you more one on one support. We provide you our team that apply jobs on your behalf. We provide you our email networking tool for referrals. We help you land remote internship. If you get layoffs, we'll help you out there as well, and we'll provide you security. If you want to learn more about our success stories, simply go to our website. Right on the home page, you'll find a section called Success Stories. You'll find a lot of our alumni's interview over there, and the application process is pretty simple. Simply go to highcounselor.com. Amit sir, can you open the website and
Sure.
right? Yeah, so simply go to highcounselor.com, and you will see a button on the home page which is apply to upcoming cohort. Simply click on that. Right here, you see a button called Start Application. Simply click on this, fill out the application, and if you're a right fit for us, we will let you know within 24 to 48 hours if we can admit you at High Counselor or not. If you want to learn more about our packages, I'm going to close this tab. If you can,
Mhm.
just close this one. This pop-up. Yeah, go to web. Yeah. Then click on this apply to upcoming cohort right on the homepage. Yep. If you want to learn more about what our packages are, right on this below this video, there is a link called sign up for info session. So we do an info session every week at 7 p.m. Eastern. You can simply go there, and one of our team members will be answering any questions that you may have. So simply pick up a time that works for you. Okay. So that's about High Counselor. This today's project, the objective for this project, as I mentioned in my deck, our objective is that we found a lot of people struggle to crack interviews, to land interviews, just for not having hands-on work experience. And that's where almost 8 months ago we decided that we'll go live, we'll do some real world projects with people online with us, and we'll help them for a week. So this project is absolutely free for everyone. We will be supporting you guys over a Discord channel for the next 1 week. And today we have our guest Akshay with us, right? And we try to bring in some perspective from industry. So Akshay will introduce this project, and we'll happy to answer any questions that you may have. So Akshay, over to you. Would you like to share your screen?
Sure, Aditya. So before just giving an intro on this project, I just want to add on to what Aditya actually said. So even during my job search, networking was also one of the primary keys, and maintaining a portfolio and a proper resume and a set of projects for a particular profile is actually important, because I see over my LinkedIn feed, most people, like, even the entry level guys are almost like are more focusing on like the certifications. I mean, I know certifications are also a good part, but at the same time, the actual weight is something where if you have many projects that you have worked on and you can showcase them. So I think High Counselor also has like a very good mentorship programs to do multiple projects and maintain a good portfolio. So I think I did not have someone to guide me during my time, but having something like High Counselor will actually help people, mainly for like entry level people during their job search program.
Hmm. Thank you so much, Akshay. That's very helpful. Yeah, let's jump on to project. Akshay, if you can introduce the project, give a quick overview of the platform. I think that would be a great start for everyone.
Yeah, just share my screen. Okay. Aditya or Amit, can you just share your screen? Because I mean, I joined from my office laptop, so it's
Yep.
not allowing me to share the screen.
Okay, no worries. I can do that. Okay, give me a second. Hmm, I'll share my screen and we can give walk through entire screen. Here you go.
Yeah,
And let
I
me
can see that.
get to the project description. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. So guys, so this project is mainly about preparing a database, or for for the DVD rental analytics. So here you will be going through different tasks like finding out the more spenders, or how you can analyze the city wise rental rates, or highly rented films, or how frequent they are buying the movies and all that stuff. So yeah, you're going to like discover how an actual rental store has improved their efficiency, and also their inventory management, or the catalog management, to maintain a smoothness in their business for the DVD rentals. So I mean, so here the project is like you have a data set, you have different data set tables with different data, like so I can show you over there when I can go through around the project. So again, this is something which you will be creating like a data model, and then you will be involving the SQL, using SQL scripts. You will be involving your whole analysis during this using this data set. So if you can just walk me through, if you can you just select the main thing, Aditya. I mean,
Yep. Okay. So we can go to website, right?
yeah,
Yep. So
yeah.
guys,
So
just
if
yeah, let me take you to the project page. So simply go to website highcounselor.com, go to projects over here, click on project platform. If you're a first time user, you'll need to sign up, right? I already have an account, so I'll just log in to get to the page. Okay. And here you have all the projects over here, right, Akshay?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if we just go to this page, then you can just go to all projects, and then we can simply search, or you will also have it on the featured sometimes. But I would say, if you just go to the search project name and then search, I mean, that would be a better option, and just search for DVD rental, and yeah, yeah. So you can directly go to the landing page here, and if we can just start, you will be taking out through to a Jupyter notebook.
Yep. Uh, for a first time user, you just need to click on choose template,
Yeah.
and the system will create a virtual laptop for you. And Akshay, I would like to share a quick story behind this. So when we started this thing, uh, we did not have this virtual lab for everyone. We used to go online and asked everyone that, hey, can you install this thing or that thing, right? Like SQL, or can you install like this Python library and to get started? And we had a lot of challenges because sometimes people's laptop was not good enough, the RAM was not good enough, right? And a lot of candidates were not able to start. And that's when we decided that we are going to provide virtual labs so that no matter how great your system is, in just 1 minute you'll have your virtual lab ready, and you can get started, get it on the go whenever you're ready. Okay. And as you can see, it's almost ready, 80%. Okay, it is ready. So just click on open sandbox. Okay, Akshay.
You can just go to the open sandbox, and then you just find the overview of all the modules here, of the modules and the different tasks. So yeah, so here on the left panel, Aditya zooming in, we can have the different tasks. I would suggest to go one by one, because the tasks that are built on is like is in a chronological order. It's like built from what's previously done. So I think even from a learning perspective, going on like in an order is actually suggested. And then based upon that, so there are different approaches and the different kinds of analysis that you can do through these data sets. So some of them here are like mentioned in each task wise. So the first one is like just establishing a SQL connection and creating your database. So I think we also have an internal video within the iConsular platform if we are just stuck somewhere. And then after that, we'll be identifying the top spenders. So one more point, Aditya, I just want to convey
Mhm.
here is, so whenever you guys are doing the projects, have have your time spent on the data set first. Explore the data set, open your data sets, explore it, and understand within your own kind of within your own kind of understanding, like how do you want to understand it in your way. And then based on that, whatever the business objectives are, understand the business objectives and then have an approach according to your own understanding. So if it's like, for example, if I just go to this the second task, identifying top spenders. So
Mhm.
how do you identify top spenders? So according to the data set, it's like you will be going to some pricing table, and then you will be finding out the customers whose payment is more. So that is, so from the data set perspective, it's like the payment data set, and the payment column. But here it doesn't give you direct approach, like directly take me to the pricing table and then list out the customers with highest spend time or highest pricings. So this is how you have to generally have a general approach while doing your projects. So again, so like coming back to this project, so like if you are identifying the top customers, and then you will be analyzing like the monthly rentals per store. So how each store is performing based on the monthly rentals. And then like again, there's another task like doing the different film categories and rental durations, like how long the rental durations are and what film categories are actually rented the most based on how long they are taken. And then you'll be doing like the top 10 customers who are you can just find out like the payment patterns of the top 10 customers who have the highest spend time, highest pricings. And then the other one is like the family movie rental analysis. So it's like you'll have to categorize different categories for the movies, and then see like what you can do your own analysis, like what category, how each category is performing based on this rentals. And then the next one is like identifying peak activities by store to store basis. And then the next one will be like analyzing total rental orders. So here, even here, you will be categorizing the rental data set, and then you will be seeing like how the total rental orders for family friendly categories. And then that again, some more related to the billing stuff, like the total revenue that's done through different category reports. And then the total rentals, you can find out like the average rental rate. You can have your own rate, like the monthly wise or weekly wise. We can have according to what kind of analysis do you want to do. And also like the next like the task 11 and stuff will be like more on how the performance of highly rented films. So you can do a brief analysis on these highly rented films. We can analyze the city wise rental rates in the task 12. So it's like you can see like what cities are like how the rental rates are varying between each cities. And you can also, if you can also like just go one step ahead, you can just also analyze like what is the performance of each city based on like what category are they preferring. And then again, the last one is like, identifying the top customers, like based on the unique film rentals that they are doing. So this on a whole will give you like an idea to how do we approach to a particular data set, like step by step, and also like how do you want to tackle it like from the business perspective.
Mhm. Thank you so much, Akshay, for the overview. And guys, on over here, you'll be able to see your ranking. So as everyone will be participating, you'll be able to see your rank and all other candidates' performance over here. Okay, and the winner. One thing that I would like to mention here is, so the winner of this project will be featured on Times Square, New York. The previous winners also got featured. Let me show you how it looks like. So yep. So Rupmati was winner of one of our projects, and she got featured in through by winning one of the projects. So here is how you can share it on your social media. Definitely great for your job search. Add it to your portfolio and talk about it in your interviews. Okay. And now, for the next 1 week, any question that you may have related to this particular project, because I'm sure you'll get stuck somewhere, you can ask anything about this project. I mean, we are not going to provide you the direct solution, but we'll provide you hints. Now, where are we going to provide you those hints? That's on our Discord channel. Okay. So, this is the Discord channel link. I'll put it in the chat box for everyone. Go to this Discord channel. There is a sub channel called Live Project Doubts. You can go there, ask any question, and our team will be there to answer your questions. Okay. So let me add the Discord channel link in the chat box for everyone. Okay, and here I've added it on LinkedIn. Join Discord channel for Q&A, and I'm also adding it to LinkedIn. Okay, join Discord for Q&A. So, guys, any question that you may have related to this project, feel free to ask in the chat box. We'll take your questions, or you can start on the project and start asking your questions in Discord channel. You'll be seeing more people joining in as the week start. So, yeah, let us know if you have any questions.
Okay. So one question is there any option of doing this live project in PostgreSQL?
Akshay, any take on this?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can also always select like what SQL do we want, and we can do the project anywhere. So that doesn't depend what kind of SQL project, that like what kind of SQL we are using. That totally depends like if we are achieving the final goal or not.
Okay.
So we can always use PostgreSQL or any SQL we want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any other question, guys?
Okay, so guys, if there are no more questions, we'll look for your questions in our Discord community. Get started on the project, and as you progress, will be there to help you out, and we'll come up and we'll also notify you for the upcoming projects. But yeah, keep us posted, and feel free to reach out to us on Discord. And have a great weekend. There's one more question. Let's see. So, is the website going to accept PostgreSQL syntax for MySQL project? So it should work, Minato, and but let me include our tech lead over here, right? And we'll get back to you on this one with a more precise answer, say by tomorrow, end of the day. Okay. Okay, guys. Any more question that we can answer for you? Okay, I think we're good. So
Definitely.
thanks everyone for taking out time for to connect for this kickoff call for this particular project. Thank you so much, Akshay, for taking out time and guiding people for this project. Really appreciate it. Guys, we look forward to for your questions on Discord channel, and let's see who in this project. Thank you so much and have a
Thank you,
wonderful day.
Akshay. Thank you for your time.
Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
guys.
Bye.
Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Bye bye.